Good morning, AP Psych, Liberty North. It is very lonely up here at North today, so it's a snow day. So this is going to be your video for instructions. My wife is here.
Hello.
This is going to be your video for instructions that you're going to take for your quiz. So Unit 7 and 11 quiz is still going to be as scheduled. Again, we had it up here for the 10th and the 11th, so we're going to keep it there. You're just going to work on it at home. I doubt very seriously that we'll be in school Wednesday and Thursday. If we are, then we'll just take it in class, but I don't think that that's going to be the case. So I came up here and wrote some instructions on the board that I'm just going to go over in the video so that you can have it. Okay, so let me get it up here so you can see it. Again, and as always, if you have any questions, make sure to Zoom. You can Zoom, enter the class Zoom, or just email me, okay? All right, just a couple of reminders. Make sure as we get ready to enter, and again, as we end the unit, as we get ready to end this unit, remember, when you're taking the quiz, it should always be a reminder, a retrieval cue, okay, that you need to have your code word done, okay, which I sent out yesterday. There's an announcement on Canvas and on Twitter. Intelligence testing, there are 13 hit words, okay? So make sure you get that done and get that sent to me. You can also bring a paper copy the next time we're in school. That's fine as well. Define and apply for Unit 7 and 13. Again, you only have to do one. That's on Canvas, so make sure you get that done, okay? All right, so Unit 7 and 11 quiz. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to choose one AP learning target from memory and one AP learning target from intelligence, okay? All right, so again, you've got a total of 2 answers that you're going to do, okay? You get to pick, all right? Make sure it's from memory and make sure it's from intelligence. So this is going to be like the first 8 learning targets, and this is going to be 12 through 20, okay? All right? Okay, so what you're going to do is, again, just like we did for Unit 1 and Unit 2, you're going to answer, the first thing you're going to do is answer the AP learning target completely. Okay, all right, so step 1, answer the AP learning target completely. All right, now, this was a problem on the last quiz. So again, you have to know what the question is asking. So, do some research and make sure you understand what the question is asking so that you can answer it, okay, completely. All right, so answer the AP learning target completely. It doesn't have to be long, all right, and it doesn't have to be extremely complex, but just make sure you answer the learning target first, okay? Then you're gonna take 3 vocab from Unit 7 or 11, okay? Define and apply it to the AP learning target, okay? Give me a name, define and apply it to the learning target. Give me a brain structure, define and apply it to the learning target, and then give me a perspective, define and apply it to the learning target, okay? Now, you're gonna do that for each question, okay? So your 1 from memory, you're gonna do all 5 of these things, and then your 1 from intelligence, you're gonna do all 5 of these things, okay? And remember, when I say apply, I am applying to the learning target that you're supposed to be answering, okay? All right, it needs to be handwritten, so pen and paper, okay? And you're just gonna bring it and you're gonna turn it in the next day that we have school, okay? You need to have your own copy, all right? So every student should have their own handwritten copy of the quiz. Now, you may work in groups, okay? My 2nd hour class, all right? So I know that some of you will be doing this together, and I'm absolutely fine with that. But just make sure you have your own copy, okay? Make sure you underline, okay, all perspectives, structures, names, vocab, okay, everything that you're adding that it's a requirement, make sure you underline it, okay, so that it's easier for me to grade, but also so that you can keep track of what you've answered, okay? And then email or Zoom me with questions, okay? All right, just enter the class Zoom. It'll send me an email that you're there, or you can even just email me and say, hey, can I Zoom real quick? And then I'll, again, I'm still working all the days, so I should be easy to get a hold of, hopefully, okay? All right. Okay, this is on the thumbnail. I'll also send a picture of these out on Twitter today. All right, then a couple of last just kind of advice here on what to do. Okay, and this was based on kind of what we did wrong the first time. Okay, so I want to make sure that we kind of clean these up. And we went over these, but again, it's been a long time since we've done a quiz. So I understand that. So, okay, so again, you're going to turn in your written copy. Every student has their own written copy. Get up here closer. Okay, so every student has their own written copy that you're going to turn in the next time we're in school, okay, which I'm believing will be the next Tuesday and Wednesday, okay, so the 16th and the 17th, okay. All right, advice, all right, to make sure that we correct the things that we kind of needed to work on last time. And again, it's been a while, so I understand, okay. So advice, make sure we define and apply, okay, but again, the emphasis is always on the apply, all right. Apply it to the learning target, all right. Everything goes to the learning target, but apply it, okay. Make sure you answer all parts of the question, all right? And that's another reason why you need to underline or highlight everything that you're adding to the question, because some of you missed needless points last time just because I think you got lost and you didn't keep track of what you were doing. So again, the 3 vocab, the name, the brain structure, and the perspective, okay? Underline those, highlight those for each question so that you know that you've got them answered, okay? Now you cannot repeat, okay? So there's no repeats of vocab terms, of names, of structures, of perspectives. You got to use different ones, okay, for each question, all right? Answer completely, all right, the AP learning target, all right, this was a big one last time. So you can tell that a lot of you didn't even know what the AP learning target was asking. You kind of just threw some notes or a chart up there, okay? All right, which you can do, but then you need to explain how that answers the question, all right? So you know, we use a lot of charts in here to kind of help synthesize and make notes kind of succinct, efficient, compact. And you can use a chart, but then you need to tell me, how does the chart answer the question? Okay. All right. Which again is not very difficult. It's not very complex. It's not very long, but you just need to make sure that you do that. Okay. And then lastly, apply. Okay. So again, you know, we had a lot of people who just define things on the last quiz. Okay. And you did not actually apply it. All right. So make sure. Again, you get points for defining, but you get more points for applying, okay? Because that's the step that we're trying to get you to take as you head off to college, okay? All right, so define and apply, answer all parts of the question. Make sure you got to use, you can't repeat anything, all right? Answer completely. Make sure you understand what it's asking and then answer completely, and then apply. Okay, so, you know, if you use a memory, on your memory question that you pick over here, a good example would be, you know, you're probably going to refer back to the 3-stage model of memory. You don't have to, okay, but that might be an easy thing to do. And that's fine. Have it up there and put that in there, but then tell me how that answers the question that you choose, okay? All right, and then hopefully you'll choose a question that you understand and that you know what it's asking for, okay? All right, so I'm going to post this video tonight. Actually, it'll be posted right after I record it. And then basically you'll be working on your quiz for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, so just at some point, that's all you're doing for the next few days in this class. Okay, all right. If you have any questions, just again, email me or Zoom, and good luck. And you guys can do it. So good luck, and just email me or Zoom me with any questions.